Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to reset your iPhone 15 Pro. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Hold the lock button until you see your phone turn off. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release your finger. Releasing your finger will stop it from turning back off. Continue to hold. You can look up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and also turn on post notifications. Drop a like on the video and comment down below if this worked out for you. Say thanks. I would appreciate it. There you guys go. Your phone has been resetted.